Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Conversation podcast. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you're here today.
Mark, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Have you ever practiced English for hours, but the moment someone said hi, your mind suddenly went completely blank?
Oh, yes. It's like your vocabulary disappears. Your heart starts racing, and even saying, "My name is," feels difficult.
If you've ever felt that way, don't worry. Millions of English learners around the world experience the same thing.
The good news is that confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one conversation at a time.
Today, we're going to share simple ways to stay calm while speaking English. You'll hear real-life conversations, practical tips, and encouraging advice that you can start using today.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile, and let's begin.
Chapter 1. Why do we get nervous? Mark, why do you think people become nervous when speaking English?
I think many learners believe they have to speak perfectly.
Exactly. They think every sentence has to be grammatically perfect.
But communication isn't about perfection.
It's about sharing ideas.
Native English speakers make mistakes every day.
Sometimes they forget words.
Sometimes they pronounce things incorrectly.
And guess what?
Nobody cares as much as we think.
People usually care more about understanding your message than listening for your mistakes. Chapter 2. A Student's Story. Let me tell you about my student, Emma. What happened? She studied English for nearly 3 years. That's a long time. Yes, but she was afraid to speak. One day, she traveled abroad. At a bakery, she wanted to buy bread. The worker smiled and asked, "What would you like?" Emma froze. She forgot every English word she had learned. Oh no! Finally, she smiled and simply said, "1 bread, please." The worker understood immediately. They both smiled. Emma realized something important. Perfect grammar wasn't necessary. Communication was. Chapter 3. Slow down. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is trying to speak too quickly. Exactly. Fast speaking doesn't mean confident speaking. In fact, speaking slowly makes you sound calmer, and it gives your brain more time to think. Listen to these 2 examples. I'm looking for the train station. Clear, easy to understand. Now listen. I'm looking for the train station. Too fast. Slow English is good English. Chapter 4. Real-life conversation. Excuse me, could you help me? Of course. I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little more slowly? Absolutely. Where are you trying to go? I'm looking for the City Museum. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see it next to the park. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Chapter 5. Your brain needs time. Did you know your brain is doing 3 jobs at once? Really? Yes. First, you're listening. Second, you're translating. Third, You're creating a response. That's a lot of work. That's why it's okay to pause. Silence isn't failure, it's thinking. Chapter 6. Useful confidence phrases. Let's practice some helpful phrases. Let me think. Could you repeat that? I'm not sure how to say it. That's a good question. Give me just a second. I'm still learning English. Can you say that more slowly? Thanks for your patience.
These expressions give you time to think without feeling embarrassed.
Chapter 7. Confidence grows through practice. Many learners wait until they're confident before speaking.
But confidence comes after speaking, not before.
Exactly. Every conversation teaches you something. Every mistake teaches you something. Every smile gives you more courage. Chapter 8. Imagine success. Here's a simple exercise. Before you speak English, close your eyes for 10 seconds. Imagine yourself smiling. Imagine someone understanding you. Imagine having a successful conversation. Your brain begins to expect success instead of failure. Chapter 9. Practice every day. You don't need hours of study every day. Just 10 or 15 minutes can make a big difference. Read a short article aloud. Describe what you see around you. Talk to yourself while cooking. Think in English while walking. Record your voice. Listen again. Little by little, your confidence will grow.
Chapter 10. Final Thoughts. Lily, if our listeners remember only one thing today, what should it be?
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of never trying.
I love that. My advice is simple. Speak with courage, not perfection.
Every sentence you speak is one step closer to fluency.
And every conversation makes English feel more natural.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel calmer, happier, and more confident whenever you speak English.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect to communicate. You just have to keep trying.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson.
Leave a comment below and tell us, what makes you nervous when speaking English? And what helps you stay calm?
We'd love to hear your story.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye.